When you sell items that are created by using other items as raw materials or kit components, they may be defined as master items for assembly. To create the bill of material assembly instructions, from the Edit menu, select Bills of Material. A list of all master items for which these instructions have been entered or imported are displayed in the grid. Sometimes bills of material are reused frequently when the master item is a common kit, or perhaps only ever used once if a customized set of materials is created. It is possible to create multiple bills of material for a master item, where each has a unique bill of material number, if there are multiple ways to build the same master item. And it is easy to create new, similar builds by copying an existing bill of material, or you can create a new one from scratch. Each bill of material is set up for a specific master item number, which can be entered either from the item number field or located from the Item Find button, which allows for easier to search by item description. Also include the bill of material number, even if there will only be one way to assemble the master item. Provide a comment of up to 75 characters for information as to the purpose of the assembly and the quantity of the master item that will be built, which may simply be one stocking unit, or perhaps some other value in any unit of measure. This unit of measure cannot be changed when assembling the master item, so it is advisable to choose the unit in which the item will be built. There may be additional costs incurred when master items are assembled, such as setup charges or packaging, that you might want to include in the overall cost of assembly. Enter a cost to prorate for any amount that would not change, regardless of the quantity being built. And this value will be divided by the build quantity and adding the result to the master item unit cost. If a cost is incurred for each unit that is built, enter this value in the additional cost field. It is possible to have both kinds of extra costs for the same assembly. Each bill of material will have one or more component items used for the build. Sometimes this will be as simple as a single component item with one unit, for the purpose of transferring from one item code to another. Or it may be more complex, with multiple component items with specified units used for the build. Click the New button to allow selecting a component item either by item or description, and the component quantity and unit of measure to be used. Then, either click or tab to the Add button to include this on the list. After saving the first component, the item number remains active for adding new items more easily. Item assembly does not support making additions or changes to component items, so this needs to be set up exactly as required before use. When the Adagio Bill of Materials add-on program is integrated with inventory, this reveals some additional features. In Bill of Materials setup, it is possible to set a specific location from which a component item will be taken, different than the location that the master item will be assembled, which may be used in master item assembly if an option is selected. Also, master items can be edited to set which bill of material number will be used to automatically build quantity when posting shipments in inventory or processing invoices in Adagio order entry. And entering and maintaining higher volumes of bills of material can be done from external files and then imported using the Import Bill of Material process to create the records. Create instructions for building master items or kits with bills of material. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.